Got the Viking dishwasher here. My first one, even though I've been installing dishwashers for nearly 14 years. I haven't done a Viking before, and this is for the all the models here. Anyways, it's got this mounting bracket. I've never seen one quite like this before. And if you're like me, you kind of just want to open the package, install everything, and be on your way. So I actually had to stop and take a look at this. So with those of you who are also curious, from what I can tell, this is how it is installed. There's a small, you can see there's a small gap between the dishwasher there, and it goes right in there. And that's going to allow you to screw up here or up here. Same thing over here. Get your end with the, like so. And there you go.